Welcome to another Friday, and it's time for us to get organized, huh? So today, the challenge that I have for you is to organize all your magazine papers and catalogs. So what I like to do, I brought you guys to my little home office here. So I usually have one of these folders right there, sticking in there, and it's called To Read. What I keep in here, because that minimizes the amount of things I can keep around. So what I do, I subscribe to 2 or 3 magazines, monthly ones. So whenever a new one gets in the mail, what I do, I come here, discard the old one that I have read or that I don't use anymore. Or if I like something, I take pictures and save on my Pinterest. And that way I don't need to keep the actual paper. So whenever I have these, it's pretty easy. So you minimize the amount of space that you have to keep them, and it's gonna make things much easier for you to get rid of them. About catalogs, what I do, since I'm a professional organizer, I keep like IKEA, West Elm, Container Store, but these I use as reference anytime I'm with my clients and they need to have an idea of a product that they need. So I keep this in my work bag. So they are always with me. I don't leave them at home. But today I have the feeling that the challenge is more like getting rid of them and selecting the amount that you want to keep. So for example, for me, I have 3 subscriptions. So I just keep 3 magazines at a time at my house. So I think this is pretty easy. I think you guys can find the ideal number for you, and know in the comments later, if you watch the replay, how are you dealing with these papers. I just posted on my page at Disorganized. I just had a live with Elizabeth, and she's a bookkeeper, and it was great. She was telling us all about what kind of paper we should be keeping and for how long, even if it's just like for tax purpose or things that you can discard monthly. So make sure to check that out. And next month, this is the last one for this month, for January. We'll be done with papers and command centers and things like that. And next month, we're going to be focused on the kitchen. So if you have any question, any picture that you want to share, and ideas that you want to get from me to organize your kitchen, you are welcome to leave the picture in the comments in this video, and I will check them out. But it's going to be pretty fun. I'm going to give you guys a lot of ideas of how to organize your kitchen. And we have one workshop coming in by the end of February. So stay tuned. I'm going to post about that soon. And I'd love to see you guys there. Bye. Have a great weekend.